In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to MT5 with a Vantage account. Before we jump into the platform, let's quickly cover what you need on hand. You'll need three things: your MT5 login ID, which is simply your trading account number, your trading password, which is different from your client portal password, and the correct server name, such as the Vantage Live server or the Vantage Demo server. You receive these details when you create your Vantage account. If they aren't in front of you, take a moment to find your account confirmation message or check the secure client area where your account details are stored. Having the exact server name matters because MT5 will only connect if it matches your account type. Now, on your Windows or Mac computer, open MetaTrader 5. At the top left, click the File menu, then choose Login to Trade Account. Depending on your MT5 version, you might see an option labeled Open an Account. If that's the case, select it and proceed until you reach the login screen. You're heading to the same place either way, the window where you can enter your credentials. In the login window, type your account number into the login field. Next, enter your trading password exactly as it was given. This is not the password you use to access the client portal. It's the dedicated password for trading. Be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters and watch for any accidental spaces if you're copying and pasting. Finally, in the server field, choose the Vantage server that matches your account, like Vantage Live for real accounts or Vantage Demo for practice accounts. If you don't see it right away, start typing the server name to filter the list, then select the precise match. Once everything is filled in, click Login or Finish, depending on the label in your version. Give the platform a moment to connect. A quick way to confirm success is to look at the bottom right corner of the MT5 window. You should see the status change to connected, often alongside a small data rate indicator. You'll also notice price quotes updating in the Market Watch and your account number appearing in the Navigator panel. If you don't see connected, double check that you use the trading password and the correct server for your account type, and confirm there are no typos in your account number. A simple re-entry often resolves it. That's it. With those details in place, you're logged into MT5 using your Vantage account and ready to view quotes, charts, and your account information confidently.